Example number 6, solve for x given that x plus 9 is equal to 20. So let's start with x plus 9 is equal to 20. For us to get the value of x, we should transpose positive 9 to the other side. So how can we transpose? Okay. So first, get the additive inverse of positive 9. When you say additive inverse, for example, positive 9, the additive inverse of positive 9 is negative 9. The additive inverse of negative 8 is positive 8. So the additive inverse of positive 9 is negative 9. So x plus 9, then get the additive inverse, negative 9. Then on the other side, 20, then the additive inverse, which is negative 9. So here, x plus 9 minus 9 is equal to 20 minus 9. So we can cancel this one because 9 minus 9 is 0, so we have x, then 20 minus 9. 20 minus 9 is equal to 11. So the value of x in the equation x plus 9 is equal to 20 is 11. To check whether the value of x is correct, x plus 9 is equal to 20, then just replace x with its value, which is 11 plus 9. 11 plus 9 is 20 equals 20. It means that the value of x is correct. Example number 7, is the sentence 7 plus x is equal to 20 true when x is equal to 5? So let's find out if x or the sentence is true given that x is equal to 5. So 7 plus x is equal to 20. So what are we going to do is to replace x with its value. So 7 plus 5 is equal to 20. 7 plus 5 is 12, is not equal to 20. It means that the sentence 7 plus x is equal to 20 is not true. The sentence is not true because the other side is bigger than the right side is bigger than the left side. To make it true, the value of the left side and the right side must be equal. So the next example is solve for x given that 4x minus 1 is equal to 15. So 4x minus 1 is equal to 15. How can we transpose this term into the right side? So just get the additive inverse just like what we did with the previous example. So what is the additive inverse of negative 1? And that is positive 1, then 15, then the inverse of negative 1, which is positive 1. So let's solve. Negative 1 plus 1 is 0, so we can cancel this one. 4x is equal to 16. So to get the value of x, just divide both sides by 4. So x is equal to 4. Let's see whether our answer is correct. 4x minus 1 is equal to 15. 4, then the value of x, which is 4 minus 1, is equal to 15. 4 times 4 is 16 minus 1. 16 minus 1 is 15 equals 15. So The value of x, which is 4, is correct. Next example, x quantity x plus 1 is equal to 15. Then let's find for the value of x. So the first thing here is to distribute. 2 times x is 2x. 2 times 1. Then copy the sign. 2 times 1 is 2 equals 15. Then after that, we have to transpose this term into the other side. So get the additive inverse of 2, and the additive inverse of 2 is negative 2. So 15, the additive inverse of positive 2, negative 2. Next step is, then we can cancel this one. Then we have 2x. 15 minus 2 is 13. 2x is equal to 13. To get the value of x, divide both sides by 2. X is equal to 6.5. So let's translate this word sentence into algebraic expression. A number times 2 is equal to 12. So let's say that number is n times 2 is equal to 12. So that's how we write it in algebraic expression. A number times 2 is equal to 12. Next, when I subtracted 3 to my number, I got 23. So we can write it as, let's say that my number is n, subtracted 3 minus 3, I got 23. So that's how we write it in algebraic expression. But we're going to find for my number. So just get the additive inverse of 3, which is positive 3. Then also positive 3 on the other side. We can cancel this one since negative 3 plus 3 is equal to 0. Then n is equal to 26. So my number is 26. Then you can check whether my answer is correct. So n minus 3 is equal to 23. Value of n, 26 minus 3 is equal to 23. 23 is equal to 23. So our answer is correct. For your activity, answer practice A, B, C, and D on pages 310 to 311. Take a photo of your answers and send it via private message. Deadline February 2.